In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PowerPoint templates effectively. This skill is invaluable whether you're preparing for a business meeting, an academic presentation, or just want to impress your audience with a visually appealing slideshow. PowerPoint templates are a fantastic way to ensure your presentation has a cohesive look and feel without having to be a design expert. Let's dive in and make your presentation stand out. First off, let's start with the very basics, opening Microsoft PowerPoint. This might seem straightforward, but it's where every great presentation begins. Once you launch PowerPoint, you're greeted with the opening screen, which showcases a variety of options, including creating a new presentation or opening an existing file. If you have pre-existing slides that you'd like to spruce up with a new template, you'll want to navigate to the file location and open it from here. This ensures that all your previous work is brought forward into the next steps we'll dive into. Now, once your presentation is up and running, it's time to harness the power of design templates. You'll notice a ribbon at the top of the PowerPoint interface. This is essentially your control panel for adding all kinds of content and visual flair to your presentation. Click on the Design tab. This is where the magic happens. The Design tab is your gateway to a world of professionally designed templates that can transform your presentation with just a click. As you explore the Design tab, you'll find an array of template options to choose from. These templates range from the reserved and professional to the colourful and creative, ensuring there's something that fits the tone and topic of your presentation. Looking through these choices, consider the message you're trying to convey and the audience you'll be presenting to. A good template complements your content, enhancing it without overwhelming it. Take your time to hover over different templates to get a preview of how they change the look of your slides. This preview feature is incredibly helpful as it allows you to experiment with different aesthetics without committing to any changes just yet. When you find a template that resonates with you, simply click on it to apply it to your entire presentation. Instantly, you'll see a transformation in the look and feel of your slides. Everything from background colors and patterns to font styles and sizes is updated to match the chosen template, creating a unified design across your presentation. It's worth noting that while templates do a great job at enhancing visual appeal, they also maintain the integrity of your content. All your text, images, and other insertions remain intact. They're just presented in a more visually appealing way. But what if you only want to change the design of specific slides within your presentation? PowerPoint offers flexibility here as well. Instead of applying the template to the entire presentation, you can select individual slides in the sidebar and then apply a new template only to those. This feature is particularly useful if you're looking to highlight certain sections of your presentation, or if you want to differentiate between topics visually. Throughout this process, remember the power of experimentation. Feel free to try out multiple templates until you find the one that truly complements your content and message, and don't hesitate to switch things up in the future. As you become more comfortable with using PowerPoint templates, you'll start to develop an eye for design that suits your specific needs and preferences. By now, you should have a good grasp of how to navigate Microsoft PowerPoint's design options, and how to apply various templates to enhance the aesthetic appeal of your presentation. Remember, the goal of using templates is to support your content by making it more engaging and memorable for your audience. With the skills you've learned today, you're well on your way to creating presentations that not only look professional, but also captivate your audience. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on how to use PowerPoint templates effectively. Take these tips, experiment with different designs, and most importantly, have fun creating presentations that stand out. Whether you're in the boardroom, the classroom, or anywhere in between, your enhanced PowerPoint presentations are sure to make an impression. Happy presenting!